Okay, so this is Automator along with AppleScript, and this is a program I had written so that it could basically process about 1,000 names that I had grabbed, or 1,000 pieces of information that I grabbed off the internet. So this is what it looks like when it starts running. And let me just choose my folder. I'll go with my Fort Lauderdale one. And so this is what it does. Woohoo! Super sweet, right? I'm kidding. There you go. Okay. So what it's doing is it's processing pages that I had grabbed off the internet full of listings of, I've actually compiled a database for insurance agents for the state of Florida. And so now what it's doing is it's copying them over to an Excel form, formatting them a specific way that I want so I can filter the information that I don't want. And remember, it's doing this to about 1,000 records, I think is what it was on this number. And I'm not doing any magic tricks, no tricks up the sleeve. It should take roughly a total of about 5 minutes to process 1,000 files. Now what it's doing is it's actually taking the final step, which is saving them, closing up the files so that it can leave my desktop as it was, so this way it's nice and clean. I'm looking for other projects to automate or help with, so if you have questions, you can always email me at digital, digitalbil, at gmail.com. Looking for any projects to get involved with, or if you just have questions or simple, ideas that you want to share, I'm more than willing to share some ideas back and forth. Again, on this particular product, I used AppleScript and Automator. Automator does have some limitations. I've realized that when I use AppleScript to control it, it actually makes it quite a bit more open formatted, so you can do things like this, which is basically allowing to process this many files at one time. So, like I said, I'm going to wait till it completes the product before I actually stop the video. But again, you can contact me via email at digitalbil, so that's digitalbil at gmail.com. If you have requests for information that you'd like yanked off the web or from other websites, I can put something together that can do this for you. So here now it's saving and closing it up to make it all nice and pretty and putting it all away for me pretty much. And as you can see, yeah, it opened up about 260 Excel sheets and dropped all the information for me in the appropriate place, so now I can begin my filtering process of knocking it all out. The other Automator scripts that I've done is I have one where I've ripped house addresses off of multiple realtor sites or realty sites, even like Zillow. And so far I've compiled, I think my biggest one I've done is about 35,000 house addresses at one time, just yanking them off the pages. The program had to run for approximately about 10.5 hours to do so. But at the end of the process, it did hand me every single address along with quite a few details. But as you can see, the process has finished now, so I'm going to go ahead and stop this video and give me a contact if you need me, or leave a comment on this video just showing some love. Thank you.